So how we did it, I think I've explained this to you before anyway, is how we have phased opening. So this is phase one of our opening, and for the first 6 weeks, which we can do, it's not definitely 6 weeks, we might adjust that, but that was the rough guide of the first phase, was the first 6 weeks. They've also said as well, they said it's a warm welcome and not clinical. There's been a lot of comments about that, because as soon as you walk into the salon, we got a new sign done that says "Hello, beautiful." It's got the flowers around it, or the foliage, not so much flowers, and it says "Hello, beautiful." It's the first thing they see, and then they look to the desk when they walk to the desk, and we had "Welcome back" written across the desk, and we made our screen from our scaffolding poles. We kept with the theme and the style, so it actually looks like it's part of the design. We've not just popped up some screens, etc. So yeah, it still feels nicely designed. So they've got the nice welcome. The girls, as you know, have got the visors with the flowers. We kept with the branding with the yellow and grey flowers across the visor, just to keep it happy. It's not a doctor's office, not a dentist, it's not a hospital, it's a hairdressing salon. And people are there to get their hair done, and yes, staying safe and following all the guidelines, etc. But you still want to give them the service that they value. You've got to remind them of, oh God, I've missed this so much. I've missed this warmth. You don't want to spoil their experience of coming to the salon, that then they're not rushing back again. You want them to still have, yes, it's a bit new and it's a bit different, but still have that warmth. So absolutely.